First impressions? This phone is surprisingly slim, especially for a rugged phone. It measures just 10.5 millimeters thick, and it weighs a comfortable 260 grams. That's lighter than you'd expect. You'll also notice the unique Light Elf LED effect. It's customizable, so you can personalize your phone's look. But don't let the slim design fool you. The Doogee Blade GT Ultra is built tough. It boasts an IP68 rating. That means it's dustproof and waterproof. It can even handle being submerged in water, but it goes further with an IP69K rating. This means it can withstand high-pressure water jets, perfect for those messy situations. Whether you're on a construction site or exploring the great outdoors, this phone is designed to handle it all. Its durability ensures it can survive drops, impacts, and harsh conditions. Plus, with a long-lasting battery, you won't have to worry about frequent recharges. The Doogee Blade GT Ultra combines sleek design with powerful performance, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Under the hood, the Doogee Blade GT Ultra packs a punch, making it a powerhouse in your pocket. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, which ensures top-notch performance. This means smooth performance for all your apps and games. And with 36 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. You can switch between apps seamlessly. The Doogee Blade GT Ultra doesn't skimp on features. It's designed to offer a comprehensive experience for users who demand the best from their smartphones. It has a capable dual rear camera system, which ensures you can capture moments with great clarity and detail. The main camera boasts a 100-megapixel AI sensor for capturing stunning photos, and with a 32-megapixel front camera, your selfies will always look sharp. Battery life is another strong point. The 5,500 mAh battery easily lasts all day, and with 33-watt fast charging, you can power up your phone quickly. The Doogee Blade GT Ultra supports 5G for blazing fast speeds. Overall, the Doogee Blade GT Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive rugged phone, especially if it's priced around $400. That's incredible value for the specs and features.